Have you ever wondered what a shooting star really is? Well, brace yourself for a cosmic curveball. They aren't stars at all. That's right. What we call shooting stars are actually tiny bits of dust and rock that collide with Earth's atmosphere. These little space invaders, known as meteors, speed through our atmosphere, heating up to the point of glowing. Imagine rubbing your hands together really fast. They get hot, right? Now imagine that, but on a cosmic scale. That's what gives meteors their characteristic streak of light. But don't get too attached, because most of these celestial speedsters burn up before they even hit the ground. It's a short, bright life for these cosmic rocks, but they sure do make an impression. So the next time you make a wish on a shooting star, remember you're wishing on a cosmic rock. Ever thought about the journey of a shooting star before it lights up our sky? Well, it all begins in the vast expanse of space. These stars are actually small fragments of asteroids or comets that have been hurtling through the cosmos, perhaps for billions of years. They're not much to look at, mostly just tiny chunks of rock or dust, but their journey is truly cosmic. As they travel through space, they move at astonishing speeds. We're talking tens of thousands of miles per hour here, but the real magic begins when they approach Earth and hit our atmosphere. That's when things start to heat up, quite literally. The friction between these high-speed particles and the molecules in Earth's atmosphere generates immense heat, causing our little space traveler to glow and burn, creating that brilliant streak of light we know as a shooting star. Most of these meteors burn up completely before reaching the ground, but occasionally a larger one survives the fiery descent and lands on Earth as a meteorite. Imagine the miles these tiny particles travel just to put on a spectacular show for us. Did you know that not all shooting stars remain in the sky? Yes, that's right. Some shooting stars, or meteors as they're scientifically known, are actually sturdy enough to survive the fiery descent through our atmosphere. These larger meteors, often composed of iron or stone, are like cosmic daredevils, braving the heat and pressure to reach Earth's surface intact. But once they land, they earn a new title: meteorites. These are essentially space rocks that have made the ultimate journey, from the cold depths of space to the warmth of our planet. And no, they don't glow or hum or do anything sci-fi like that. They're just rocks, but with a story that's out of this world, quite literally. And here's a fun fact. Most meteorites are actually older than any rock you'll find on Earth. So they're not just souvenirs from space, but also ancient relics from the dawn of our solar system. Talk about a conversation starter at your next dinner party. So if you're ever lucky enough to find a strange rock, it might just be a souvenir from space. Have you ever wondered if a shooting star has ever landed on someone? Well, the universe is full of surprises, isn't it? Here's a story that might tickle your celestial curiosity. Picture this. The year is 1954. A woman named Anne Hodges is taking a nap, probably dreaming about something utterly mundane. Little does she know the universe has a curveball headed her way. Out of nowhere, a grapefruit-sized meteorite crashes through her ceiling and lands on her. Now that's a wake-up call no amount of coffee can match. Don't worry though. Anne Hodges survived this cosmic intrusion with only a bruise, and the meteorite, well, it became quite the conversation piece. The universe had turned an ordinary day into an extraordinary one, literally with a bang. So remember, the chances are slim, but a shooting star could take a detour and land right on your couch. Wondering how many shooting stars dart across our sky each day? Well, let's dive into this celestial spectacle. On any typical starlit night, if you're patient and the sky is clear, you might see a few shooting stars. These are not stars at all, but tiny specks of dust or small rocks burning up as they streak through our atmosphere. Quite the fiery demise, wouldn't you say? Now imagine a meteor shower, a cosmic event where Earth passes through a stream of debris left by a comet. This is when the magic truly happens. You could see as many as 100 shooting stars per hour, each one a dazzling display of nature's fireworks. But remember, these celestial sprinters are fleeting. They're here one moment and gone the next. So keep your eyes on the skies. You never know when a shooting star might streak by, ready to take your wish to the cosmos.